Storage. Protect the kit from extremes of temperature. Long-term storage must be in a frost-free store. In very cold weather, storage in a location where the temperature does not fall below 10 degrees is very desirable. Raising the temperature of the resin in a warm atmosphere is necessary if the kits have been stored in low temperatures. Do not heat the resin by using a direct flame. Familiarity with the thickness of the resin when in an acceptable temperature range is all that is usually necessary. Do not use the kit until it has been warmed up. The tub and bottle should feel warm to touch. If the resin feels thick, warm it up further prior to adding hardener. Don't let the kit get cold again. Pre-mix the resin before adding the hardener. Once resin is pre-mixed, add the hardener. Fully mix for about 90 seconds and ensure there are no streaks in the contents, as this means it needs more mixing.